Finding FSBO listings on Zillow involves using specific search techniques tailored to identify properties where sellers are marketing directly to buyers without the involvement of real estate agents. Here's how you can do it. Use search filters. Visit Zillow's website or app and enter your desired location in the search bar. Apply filters such as For Sale by Owner or FSBO under the More tab in the Search Filters section. This will refine your results to display only FSBO listings. Keyword search. Use keywords like FSBO or For Sale by Owner along with the location in the search bar. This can help narrow down listings where sellers have explicitly mentioned their preference to sell without an agent. Contact sellers. Once you find FSBO listings, click on the property to view details such as photos, description, and contact information provided by the seller. Reach out directly to the seller via the provided contact method to inquire about the property and schedule viewings. Save searches. Create an account on Zillow to save your searches and receive alerts when new FSBO listings that match your criteria are added.